What's up, vlog? Welcome back to the videos. Today's video, that boy Rob got a gift from my man David over at Hybrid Racing. Man got the B series shifter. He had this for like what, 2 months now, and
you had this shit.
I had it for like 2 months, and he just got it last night because his car is up back and running. The boy did some wire tugging stuff. I'll show you that in a bit.
Garbage, man.
Nah, that's pretty good, bro. It's pretty good, bro. So if you're new to the Honda life and you got your Integra or a Civic and you just bought you a hybrid racing shift knob or any other, not shift knob, but a hybrid racing shifter or any other shifter, best to do is remove your center console. Not center console. That's your center console, yeah?
Center console.
Yeah, your center console. Hey, bro, don't roast me, dog.
We're all gonna roast you. I'm
supposed to make
something down. But you don't care though. You like get roasted. You sort of God, bro. I'm mad.
Man, roasted is fun, cause like that means people are leaving comments, they watching, they talking they shit. That's fine with me. Okay, you want third person in this vlog?
Yeah. Sure.
All right, bet. My cameraman's Kaylin. I hired Kaylin for my camera man duties today.
What'd you pay me?
Oh, we gotta do it.
Let me take the BRV to get some food.
Go ahead.
All right, cause I'm hungry. They never feed me.
Bro, I bought Chick-fil-A today. Wasted everything.
Why?
Couldn't eat it, bro. Step 1 in the process, baby. Well,
I lost the tool.
Step 3, I guess. We gotta drop the bitch pin. We're gonna have Randy try to see if we can drop it.
Hit it out.
Hit it out, baby. Bro, you need something longer than that, bro. You finna glaucoma your hand, B.
Damn. Get all that.
Facts. Glaucoma. I got glaucoma. Glaucoma, bro. That was funny. It was an eyeball with a gun.
It wasn't funny in your head.
Nah, it was
funny in your head.
Guys, no, it's funny.
It was funny in your head.
Glaucoma?
Just in your head, right? It's all good, bro. We all know that.
Cause y'all don't know fucking funny shit.
Only in your
Glaucoma's funny. Alright,
all the people in comments be like, lame.
Now they're like, damn, that is funny. Glaucoma? I got.
Cause they're a bunch of
You know glaucoma going to eye, right?
Yeah.
So you say glaucoma, it'd be a gun in his eye. It'd be a Glock. That boy Ran Leezy got the bitch pin out. He dropped the what's it called? The stabilizer. That's what it's called. The stabilizer shifter. I don't know what that one's called, but. Both are dropped. Now, drill out our third hole for our hybrid shifter. And that's it, playboy. Both shift linkages are now apart. Now we gotta do is take off the shifter. So for the shifter, instead of doing it from the bottom as you would, you put it up top now. So basically it covers the
cover that
little pole piece or whatever.
Whatever the shit called.
Yep.
And it sits in there. Bam.
Bam. And then you drill another hole right here so you can both up 3. You don't have to, but it's recommended to drill another one, and that's what we're gonna do.
Got a Sharpie.
My bad, y'all. But that boy drilled it up. Put it on. Damn, that is perfect.
Yeah, you're
fast.
Yeah.
What not?
You heard me, nigga.
My fault.
Beep, beep, beep. Got censor all this.
Alright, David gonna be like, what the fuck, Zosh? That shit funny though. Yeah, he cool as fuck. Alright, so with the hardware supplied by Hybrid Racing, we now have our shifter installed. So, shut up, bitch! Alright. With the hardware supplied by Hybrid Racing, we now have the shifter installed on both sides, top and bottom. And now we're ready to install. Shifter's installed, baby! And yeah, he got stock setting of what it came with, and it doesn't even have upgraded bushings. Like he don't have the energy suspension bushings on it.
It feels like your shifter.
It feels like the K series one. Yeah, I never felt the. I had never felt the B series shifter, the B series hybrid shifter in a B series car or D series. Oh sh. Damn. Hell yeah. Bro, feel that thing. Oh, you might want to put some.
Yeah, sorry.
God damn. How you like your shifter, bro? How's it feel?
Feels like a fucking shifter.
Ma, let me get these headlights, bro. These things clean. Hey, these Johns. Oh no, never mind. This one's crusty. But this one right here. Ice. Yeah. Clean, boy. Clean. You said you fractured your foot? Yeah. How you fracture your foot, bro? Record what?
Oh, you recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording. What you fractured your foot on?
Trash can fell on my foot, bro.
Cause I keep thinking about that shit. I'm just like, man,
You gonna be like me,
got
bro?
no damn fluid in it. I need this book.
That's so bad.
Quick little engine bay shot of DC4 Rob. It's not trash, bro. You did your thing on it. You took all his headlight harness, his battery.
I didn't do shit.
Yeah, he ain't do nothing to this side. But this side, bro, that's clean. Look at that. Look at that boy. Boy got a wireworks harness now too. That boy good.
Yeah, my shit almost caught on fire.
That was true, bro. It did almost catch fire.
No, it did.
Well,
Oh, actually, okay. Caitlin said it did catch fire. Bobber built. We gotta get you a new banner though.
yeah, that's just original.
Yeah, that's an original, B. How you like it, bro?
It feels good.
Hell
I like
yeah.
the leverage on it. The leverage is nice.
Yes, sir. Hybrid game.
Oh hell no! That shit did not want to go in.
Transmission one of synchros probably.
It's just such a high RPM.
Yeah, synchros.
Yeah.
And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to conclude this video. David, if you're watching this, or Will, if you're watching this, I'm very sorry by the unprofessionalism that was displayed in this video. Man, I'm sorry. I am truly sorry. But I hope it was a good one. I hope it was good for you guys. And I hope the consumers watching this will be, you know, favored enough to go pick up a hybrid racing shifter, because it is truly and honestly the best B-series shifter on the market due to how it was invented. You know what I'm saying? It's ball bearing. It's the first ball bearing B-series shifter to ever come out. And it's been tested months in advance before it dropped. It wasn't just like some, oh, let's make this and drop it. Nah, bro. Nah. This is Hybrid Racing's first B/D series gearbox related product, which entails that they had a lot of R&D behind the shifter. And if you are interested in owning your own hybrid racing shifter, I do have a discount code with them. It is 5 off Zosh at hybridracing.com. Use that code for any hybrid racing product on the website. Okay? Cool. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is almost 3 o'clock, bro, and I gotta get this video out for my Benoys. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. And like I said, hybridracing.com, 5 off Zosh. Pick up your shifter today. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.